All I'm saying.
Ngayon, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-order ng GCash Mastercard sa inyong GCash App. So, punta lang po tayo sa may GCash App. Then, just log in using your MPIN. As you can see dito sa may balance ko, meron akong 2,024 pesos. And you need to have 250 pesos to order your GCash Mastercard na pwede mong gamitin sa any bank for withdrawing, at magkakaroon po ng 15 pesos na charge for every time you withdraw. The minimum or the maximum withdrawal for GCash Mastercard is 10,000 pesos plus 15 pesos na deduction fee sa withdrawal mo. So punta lang po tayo sa may view all. Then, click natin or hanapin natin yung cash out. Makikita mo dito yung cash out at GCash Mastercard. Then, click mo lang po yung deliver. As you can see dito, may babayaran siya or nakasama rin na yung babayaran mo for 215 pesos. Ang GCash card is 150 pesos and the delivery fee is 65 pesos. Most ng pag-deliver ng GCash Mastercard is via Ninja Van. So, just prepare anytime. It takes only 1 to 3 days. Pinakamahaba yung 5 days when you receive your GCash card. So, fill up lang natin yung recipient information. Sa recipient information, dapat yung information mo when or saan i-deliver yung GCash Mastercard mo. So, for this case, I will use my father's information para mabilis nilang mahanap kasi hindi ako gaano kilala dito sa amin. That is why the reason. Then, province is Municipality of Talugtug, and the barangay is, so zip code is automatic, and click the accept terms and condition. House number, so number puro kayo dito. And click mo lang yung accept terms and condition, then click next. Dito may notification tayo marireceive na need natin na magbayad na 215 pesos to order for a GCash Mastercard. So click natin yung 215 pesos. Then let's just wait to deduct this 215 pesos sa my account balance natin. Okay, as you can see, order successful na, and expect your card to be delivered within 10 days or 10 business days. Pero sometimes, or based on my experience, it takes only 3 to 5 days. Yun ang pinakamahaba at hindi siya maabot ng 10 days. So, click lang natin yung okay. Then, nakita nyo naman, nag-deduct na siya sa balance ko. And let's just wait for my GCash Mastercard to be arrived sa designated address na pinil up ko. Thank you so much and hope this video helps you a lot. I will upload more videos na makakatulong sa everyone, especially for home-based job and helps and tips sa mga digital wallets natin. Thank you!